Hello guys, it is Stein from the Redstone Brothers, and I present to you my new redstone machine, or chicken farm you may call it. So what I do is press that button. Go over here. Sing this fine. Sorry, I'm having to hold the camera with one hand and play Minecraft with the other. So have to come over here, take out the water. May take a couple tries to do this, but to get all the chickens dead. Do that. Just keep doing that. If you want to see my inventory, that's all I got, is some chicken. Just keep doing this. I thought this would cook the chickens, but it doesn't. Then before the fire gets to the area, click the safety water button. And I got a cooked chicken actually. Yay! So click the button again. I still have some tweaking to do because I want to have it where the chickens get like zoomed from there to over there. So that could be easily dealt with. I would just have to disconnect one of the dispensers that fires one of the fire bolts and hold it to hold water, and then it would travel the chickens to over there, and then the dispenser would launch the fire bolts and kill them. And it takes 5 minutes if there's at least one chicken in there to grow. At least that's what I believe. And then I would have to disable that water and enable that water, and then it would flow all the droppings over to there. That might be a problem, but I will fix it. This is a creative mode world, by the way. So this video is going to be short, but it's just showing you my awesome chicken farm. There are way better and easier chicken farms, but none of them I've seen have used gas balls. I hope you've enjoyed this video, dudes. See ya later. And don't forget to kill the like button with the diamond sword, and slice the mobs. Subscribe. And a good